If you're an older man and enjoy oral sex, let me start by saying, I'm not here to tell you to stop, but there are some important things you need to understand. It might sound surprising, or maybe even a little uncomfortable at first, but don't worry, there's no judgment here, just facts. As we age, things change. Our bodies evolve, and so do our relationships, especially when it comes to intimacy. The good news is that just because things are different doesn't mean they are worse. In fact, for many older men, intimacy becomes a more fulfilling and emotionally rewarding experience. However, it's crucial to approach it with the right knowledge to ensure it remains safe and enjoyable. Today, we're going to talk openly about oral sex in older age, diving into both the benefits and the risks. We'll also explore how you can take practical steps to make sure your intimate life is not only safe but also deeply rewarding. So, let's clear the air and explore some surprising truths that are backed by credible research. Let's start by busting some myths. One of the most common misconceptions is that once you get older, sexual intimacy, especially oral sex, just isn't for you anymore. Many people think oral sex is only for the younger generations, but that's simply not true. There's no age limit when it comes to pleasure or connection. Oral sex can still be a meaningful and beneficial part of your intimate life, even if you're over 50. And while aging brings new considerations, that doesn't mean you have to lose out on the health benefits or the pleasure it brings. In fact, intimacy in later years can bring about deeper emotional connections and new experiences that are incredibly fulfilling. So, if you thought intimacy was something that fades with age, think again. The truth is, this stage of life can actually offer more meaningful connections, both physically and emotionally. Now, let's explore the science behind it. What happens in your body during intimacy, and why is it still so important as we grow older? Well, the answers might surprise you, and they're more about feeling good than you might expect. Let's dive in. Research supports the idea that sexual intimacy, including oral sex, has many positive effects for older men. In fact, studies suggest that maintaining an active sex life can lead to a healthier body and mind. For example, a 2017 study published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that regular sexual activity, even in later years, promotes better heart health. Engaging in sexual activity increases blood circulation, which is important for cardiovascular health. Moreover, oral sex, just like other forms of intimacy, has been shown to help boost your immune system. A study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that engaging in regular sexual activity increases levels of antibodies that help fight infections. But it's not just your body that benefits. Intimacy also has psychological benefits. When you engage in oral sex, your body releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which strengthens your emotional connection with your partner. Studies show that this emotional connection is not only good for your relationship, but it also reduces stress and improves overall well-being. Imagine this. Not only are you helping your heart, strengthening your immune system, and relieving stress, but you're also keeping that spark alive with your partner. This connection isn't just physical. It deepens your relationship, making it more meaningful and resilient. It's a beautiful cycle where every intimate moment leaves you healthier, happier, and more connected. Now, that's something worth celebrating. Let's break it down further. The oxytocin released during intimacy enhances feelings of trust, affection, and emotional closeness between you and your partner. This is especially important as you age and your relationship dynamics evolve. The more emotionally connected you feel, the more fulfilling the experience becomes. Endorphins, which are naturally released during sexual activities, act as your body's built-in painkillers. These endorphins reduce stress, lower anxiety, and improve your mood, making intimacy a powerful tool for mental health, especially in your later years. This emotional and hormonal boost isn't just about the moment, it can have lasting effects on your overall well-being. A stronger emotional bond fosters a deeper sense of security and belonging, both of which are crucial as you navigate life's challenges. Plus, when you're feeling less stressed and more content. It naturally leads to a better quality of life in all aspects. Intimacy, then, becomes a vital part of self-care, one that not only nourishes your body but also your mind and soul. Real-life application now. How can you take advantage of these benefits in your own life? Here are a few practical tips to consider. Prioritize communication. This is the foundation of any healthy sexual relationship, but it's especially crucial as we age. Check in with your partner about comfort, boundaries, and desires. Don't be afraid to ask, "Is this okay?" or "What would feel better for you?" Intimacy is about trust and mutual understanding. Focus on oral hygiene. As we get older, our teeth and gums can become more vulnerable. To minimize the risk of infections during oral sex, maintain good daily oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day and floss regularly. Also, avoid brushing your teeth right before engaging in oral sex. It may seem like the best choice for cleanliness, but vigorous brushing can create tiny abrasions in your gums that could lead to infections. Instead, rinse your mouth with water or a gentle mouthwash 30 minutes before. Use protection. STIs don't discriminate by age, and infection rates among older adults have been increasing. Whether you're in a long-term relationship or have new partners, always use protection like dental dams to reduce the risk of infection. It's an easy, effective way to stay safe. Listen to your body. As we age, certain physical discomforts can arise. Pay attention to your body's signals, whether it's jaw fatigue, back strain, or discomfort in any position. Make adjustments as needed, such as using pillows for support or taking breaks when necessary. Comfort is key to ensuring a positive experience for both you and your partner. Schedule regular health checkups. Don't wait for problems to arise. Regular dental visits and routine health screenings can help catch any potential issues early. By staying proactive about your health, you can enjoy intimacy with peace of mind, knowing you're taking care of yourself in every way. If this video has opened your eyes or helped you understand oral sex in a new light, give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth health discussions. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experiences are valuable, and we want to create an open and respectful conversation. Before we wrap up, let me give you a sneak peek at our next video. We're going to dive deeper into how you can stay active and healthy as you age, and how intimacy plays a huge role in maintaining both physical and mental well-being. You won't want to miss it, so stay tuned.